जी गुड ट्राई। आपने गेस को थिंक में कन्वर्ट किया, इट्स ओके। और प्रिटी को आपने हार्ड से कन्वर्ट किया, दैट वाज आल्सो a little bit formal. Now in the outset remember one thing, कि हम लोग not talking about correct or incorrect English. We are talking about formal and informal. Formal is required in IELTS and other tests, so we need to change a little bit of vocabulary, tone and style. What are the areas for improvement and their reasoning? I think is personal and informal, of course. Academic writings should avoid personal opinions unless it is required by the context. जैसे कि पिछली एग्जाम्पल में होपफुली की जगह मैंने आपसे कहा कि जी इट शुड बी आई होप, बट हेयर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप आई थिंक लिखेंगी तो ये इनफॉर्मल हो जाएगा. नाउ टोन एंड क्लैरिटी is quite hard to solve. This whole phrase or sentence, you can say it is informal. What we are talking about, a stone to break or to solve a math problem? No. Issue is not abstract or concrete thing. It's something general. So our word choice should be general as well. Like resolving this issue appears to be quite challenging. Now this sentence here now. Resolving this issue appears to be quite challenging. So now it is general. Issue के साथ आपने general sentence use किया कि ये issue appears to be quite challenging, not quite hard to solve. So this was the improvement. I would not say it's correction. Sentence 2, they haven't done much to fix this problem. Your response, they have not enough to solve this problem. They have not enough. This is grammatically incorrect. You need to put done here. First of all, solve this problem or fix this problem, these are acceptable, but again problem is general, so we change this into issue and use address the issue. Similarly, have not done enough is very informal and inappropriate. A better version would be sufficient effort or appropriate step. So how we would change it? they have not made sufficient effort to solve this problem. Or we can write, they have not taken appropriate steps to solve this problem. So you can see here, these are the better version. They are formal and accurate. Lots of people think climate change is a big deal. Third sentence. Lots of people think climate change is a big deal. And your response is, a lot of people think climate change is a serious matter. You have made two changes. Lots of people into a lot of people, a big deal change into a serious matter. Replacing these two phrases enhances formality and acceptable in academic writing. That means कि अगर आप इस स्टैंडर्ड से इंग्लिश लिखती हैं, you will be able to have 7+ band, but we are aiming at 9. So we will consider this as semi formal. Change हो सकता है. Vocabulary is normal, vocabulary is common, we can change it a little bit. For example, lots of people, a lot of people को हम लिख सकते हैं a significant number of people sorry, the phone is disturbing. A significant number of people consider climate change is a critical issue. आप इंसिस्ट करती हैं कि नहीं सर, ये सीरियस मैटर ही बेटर है, आई वुड राइट इट और इम्प्रूव इट. सो यू कैन राइट हियर regard as a significant concern or perceive as a pressing matter. You can write here perceive as a pressing matter, immediate matter, or you can write regard, a significant number of people regard climate change as a significant concern. So अब देखिए आप कि थोड़ा सा वोकेबलरी को चेंज किया है हमने और थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव किया है फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज को. सो रिमेंबर के आइल्स के जो एग्जामिनर्स हैं दे आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ इंग्लिश कि जहाँ पर आप फॉर्मल वोकेबलरी यूज़ करते हैं. दे विल फील इट कि दिस स्टूडेंट हैज़ good command over using appropriate and formal words, phrases and sentences. Sentence 4, hopefully things will get better soon. Your version, I am hopeful things will get better soon. Your version is a good and encouraging start, but according to context of content, things and soon are vague and very informal and should be changed. और आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं यानी थिंग्स को आप चेंज कर सकती हैं कंडीशंस से. circumstances or situation. ये आपने थिंग्स को चेंज किया. इसी तरह सूनर को आप नियर फ्यूचर में चेंज कर दें, ज़्यादा कंक्रीट हो जाएगा. और इन द कमिंग डेज will be okay. So correct sentence will be I am hopeful that conditions, circumstances, situation will improve in near future. Or in the coming days. So this is more formal and better version of the sentence, hopefully things will get better soon. So sentence 5, I am gonna show why this method is the best. Your version, I am going to prove why this method is best. Good changes. आपने I am gonna contraction को I am going to और show की जगह आपने prove लिखा, more concrete. लेकिन still there is a problem और वो है best. Best is informal and usually we do not use it in this type of context. Show, prove से better sentence, better word हम लिख सकते हैं. So we will change it like this, that I am going to demonstrate why this method is the most the most efficient or appropriate so I am going to demonstrate why this method is the most efficient and or most appropriate. So best को आपने remove किया और इस तरह sentence ज़्यादा formal हुआ, vocabulary को आपने improve किया, increase किया. So these are the 5 sentences आपने किया, इन sentences को आपने study किया मेरे साथ. Now I would like कि अब आप recheck करें अपने 6 to 10 responses को and try to make the changes which we learn here कि कौन से words और phrases जो है वो informal हैं और किस तरीके से हम उनको we can change them to formal English. I am hopeful कि if you try again you will have English of 9 band inshallah.